Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing Edge so export runs cleanly. Open Microsoft Edge now and sign into the profile that contains the favorites you want to export. This ensures you get the correct set. Once Edge is open, make sure no other profiles or windows are interfering. Close extras. Now, click the Favorites icon or press Ctrl+Shift+O to open the Favorites Manager. This is the first actionable step that moves you into the export flow. Now you'll export. Inside the Favorites Manager, click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Export Favorites. When the Save dialog appears, pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear name, such as Favorites Export. HTML. Make sure the file type is HTML so other browsers or import tools can read it later. Click Save. Once done, Edge creates an HTML file that contains your bookmarks and folder structure. This is the portable export. Finish by verifying the export. Open the saved HTML file in any browser to confirm your favorites and folder structure are present. If items are missing, make sure you exported from the correct signed-in profile. Profile confusion is the most common issue. If the export dialog fails or the file is empty, update Edge, restart the browser, and repeat the export. This fixes most transient bugs. Finally, store the file securely or import it into your target browser. You're done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.